Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to download the mockup background for free. You don't need to beg anybody for any kind of mockup background or any stuff relating to graphic design or logo design. Graphic generally. Because at times you see someone posting a design using a kind of background that really caught your attention, starting begging the person, and the person was maybe due to something the person was unable to send you the background, which you really think if you use it for another design it will really helpful. But today I'm going to show you how to download professional background, where to search for it. There is a particular app that can help you to search for any background, any images. I'm going to show you that particular app. It's on Play Store. You understand? It's totally free. And I'm going to give you another hint on one particular app that you can use to get another background as well. Now let's go to our Play Store. Let's go to our Play Store. You search for image search. This is the app. I have the app on my phone already. Image search man. This is how the app look like. This particular app is called Mockup app, where you can get any mockup background and other stuff relating to graphics. Now let's search. You see, there are some, but the one thing about this particular app is this: there are some background that are free. There are some that carry a watermark, that have already made design on top of it. But worry less. This is how you can use any background here, even if there is a design that is being placed on it. You understand? That's why I told you that you need two particular apps. One app is where you can find any kind of mockup. Another app is where you can use to erase anything that is already been placed on top of that particular background. You understand? Let's take it for instance. I will look for a particular background, and I will save it. Now, let me look for any background that a design is already being placed on. I will look for any background that already have a design. You understand? And when I save it, I will go and use my remove unwanted app to erase anything that has already been placed on it. Do you understand? So it's very simple. You don't need to beg anyone for any app. For any background. What you just need to do is that even if you can't get the name of the mockup app here, you can save the person work. Then you remove the person design on top of it. When you remove it, you can be able to use that particular design, that particular background for your own goods. You understand? Let me pick one as an example. Let me pick this. You see, when I click on that, it brings all related background to this. Do you understand? Let me pick another one. You see, it brings another related one. Let me pick another one. You see, it brings another related one. Let me pick this one. You see. Now let me download this, and it is very fast. It said download completed. Let me check whether I've succeeded in downloading it. Let me check. Good. I've downloaded it twice. You understand? Now let me go to my remove unwanted object. When you come to your Play Store, you can get it as well. You see, just search remove unwanted object. This is it. You see, this is how it look like. Just open it. It's because I've done something on it before. Open it. Go and import the object you save. This is it. You see, there is a design on it. Now, but don't worry, I will teach you how to erase it. Just click on it. But let me give you another clue. There are some times that when you are trying to erase anything on top of any background, it will be blur. The one thing you will do is that just try at least to zoom it out like this before you click the processing. The next thing is click go. Now zoom it back. Sorry, you see? Do you see anything there again? You see? The next thing is click next and save. Now let's go and check and see whether what we did really work. Let's go and check. Sorry, remove object. Really, if you are using it for the first time, you see nothing was there again. It has already erased the design that was placed on it. You understand? If you are using the app for the first time, it will create a folder on your gallery for you to be able to what? For you to be able to use it. You understand? It will create a gallery, create a particular folder on your gallery. So immediately you save it, you can come back. And when you look at it, that is how I save all my background. You see it? I save all my background through that mock-up background. I will just go to that place, search for it. For those people that are begging me for any background, you don't need to beg anybody. Just go and search for any particular background, save it. Whether there is anything placed on it, the next thing you will do is that just to remove the person work, use remove unwanted objects. Do you understand? Let me go and search for another one for us to be able to have a more clarification on this. You understand? Let me go and save another one. Let me save this. You see, we have more more design on top of this one. Now come to your come to your remove unwanted objects, back your previous work. The next thing is that go back to go and look at, to go and import what you have saved. So now repeat the same process. You see, zoom it out if you don't want anything, when you don't want it to blur, click go. Now check. You see, it's very fast. Do you see anything there? You see, it will work like like magic. But don't forget, when you are working on on your remove unwanted object, zoom out before you click processing, that is go. It will not be blur. There won't be anything left on top of your design. And now let's go and check as usual. Let's go and check as usual. Remove objects, whether the thing is there. If it is not there, you come here to go and save. We haven't saved it. Now check it back. You see, this is it. Do you see anything on top of it? I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel.